Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell so that you're notified of every video that I post, which happens every Tuesday and Thursday, and you're always gonna get something new. You never know what you're gonna get on this channel, but it is gonna be something that affects our lives on a regular basis, like food, family, makeup, parenting, product reviews, all that kind of jazz. So, hope you'll join this group. All right, so let's get into today's video. In today's video, I'm making crack for my family.
That's right. I'm making crack for my family.
And you should too. Want to know what I mean? Stay tuned and let's do this. Okay, so it's that time of year when you're going to all sorts of holiday parties and get-togethers, from work parties to neighborhood parties to family parties, Christmas stuff, New Year's stuff, and all the time you're asked to bring something. And this recipe is the easiest thing on the planet to make. It doesn't look like much, so if you're looking for a showstopper Food Network worthy type of presentation, this isn't it. But it's like crack, people. You can't eat just one. I dare you to eat just one and walk away and not touch it for the rest of the evening. Once you try it, you are hooked. It's like crack. Hence the name, salted caramel crack. Let's go see how we make it. Okay, I'm here in the kitchen, and what we are going to be making is what I fondly refer to as salted caramel crack. Now, I know it's illegal to make crack, so it's not really crack, disclaimer, but this stuff is so addictive and so yummy that you cannot eat just one. It's so amazing. Everywhere I've taken it, it doesn't look like much, and then when people try it, they're grabbing handfuls of this stuff. So I originally got this recipe from my friend Karen, and there was a couple of different ingredients in that one. I've tweaked it just a little bit because I like salted caramel flavoring, and this is so easy. You're gonna wanna make this for your next holiday party or any get-together, so easy. So what you're gonna need is a stick of butter. You're going to need 1 cup of packed brown sugar. You're going to need a little bit, pinch to taste, of sea salt. You're gonna need some light corn syrup, some baking soda, and some rice Chex. So the first thing we're gonna do is use a microwave safe bowl, which I have here, with 1 stick of butter in it, and you're going to put in your 1 cup of packed brown sugar. That is a half a cup, so I'm gonna add another one. Then you're going to need 3 tablespoons of light corn syrup. By the way, you'll notice if you've been watching my channel that I follow a keto diet, a low carb diet. This is not one of those. This is not even close to one of those. This is loaded with sugar. So this is for all the people who do not follow that kind of a diet and can eat this stuff, because this will definitely ruin a keto diet. It's mesmerizing, isn't it? I just put in a half a teaspoon or so of salt. My friend Peggy is texting me because we're gonna chat about our YouTube videos, and you should check out her channel. It's called A Real Kitchen, and she does other recipes, which is also awesome. So shout out to Peggy. Okay, so what you're gonna do is you are going to put this in the microwave for 1 minute and stir. And as soon as it's all melted and incorporated, we're gonna add a little bit of baking soda, and then I'll tell you the rest. Okay, this has been in there for 1 minute. It's not quite done. I'm gonna give it a little stir and throw it back into the microwave for about 30 more seconds. My microwave is extremely high wattage, cooks everything very fast. So, depends on your microwave how long it's gonna take, but for me, I think this is gonna take another 30 seconds. Okay, so just about melted here. What you're gonna have is basically some amazing salted caramel, and while that's still hot, we're gonna throw in our half a teaspoon of baking soda. Stir that up until it's totally incorporated. Okay, now all you have to do now is add your rice Chex. I have 8 cups of rice Chex right there. And you're gonna stir this around until it's mixed up. It doesn't have to be completely mixed all together because we're gonna microwave this 3 different times. Pardon me. And stir it in between, and it will eventually all incorporate. So don't worry about if it's not totally mixed up. So once you get it mostly mixed in there, you're gonna throw this in the microwave for 1 minute and then stir again. You're gonna put it in the microwave again for another minute. All right, this has been in another minute, so a total of 2 minutes. We're gonna do this one more time and stir, and you can see it's really starting to get all incorporated in there. Every piece is gonna be covered with this amazing salted caramel goodness. This is so good, you guys. It's so simple. I mean, like I said, it doesn't look like much, but there is never any of this left over once people get a taste of it. So, one more time in the microwave, and then I'll show you how to finish it up. All right, so it's been in there for 3 minutes total, stirring after each minute, and I've got some wax paper here, which, you know, if this was a professional cooking show, it wouldn't look like this on the edges. It'd be all nice. Just ignore that. So we're gonna give it one more stir. Make sure it's all incorporated, and then we're just gonna dump it out onto this wax paper and let it cool off. Just like that. Then we're gonna pour it out. And I'm just gonna spread it out, because eventually you're going to break this up once it's cooled off. So if you can spread it out a little bit here, it makes your job easier later. All right, I'll meet you back here once it is cooled off. All right, it's completely cooled off, so all you do is just go in and break it into little chunks, and then you're gonna wanna put this in an airtight container, Ziploc container or bag, something where it's going to be airtight, and that's it. It is not difficult, it is not fancy, but I am telling you, people love this stuff, which is why I call it salted caramel crack. Oh my gosh, it's ridiculous. Try some of this. Okay, it's not good for you. It's not good for you. But these are the holidays, and it's yummy. So, stop judging me. This stuff is so good. It will be a party pleaser for sure. Try it out, super easy, normal, easy to find ingredients, and you can make this in 15 minutes. I mean, it doesn't get much better than that. Take some of this to a party and see how people react once they have a taste of it. And don't forget to label it salted caramel crack. I mean, there's just something about, you know, trying something labeled crack that people just can't resist. All right, I hope this has inspired you to make some crack for your family. I mean, if you love them, you'll make them crack. And otherwise, I hope you're having a great day. Have some fun at your holiday parties over this season, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Just hit share and share it on Facebook or whatever, and inspire some of your friends to make some crack too. See ya.